Rail first contact. May tatago ba? Naitago nga. This might even be 2 rails to get to the 2 ball. But he missed it. Oh, used the 9.
9 ball to the side. It's a difficult cut shot. But he made it.
This is going to be another safety shot. That's
Nope.
going to show. That's going to be hovering over the side pocket.
A 5-9 combination, kaya lang namasyal yung cue ball.
Okay na yan. Cue ball to the 6. So walang issue na ito para dito kay Michael Kinay.
Those object balls go into the bucket para makakuha ng kumpiyansa, no?
It's not handed to them this time. Magandang safety na pinakita. Magandang spadahan na nangyari. To open this opportunity up para kay Michael Kinay. Yan na. Nagtatawanan na sila. 2 in a row for Michael Kinay.